Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you CoinMarketCap, which is most important website in crypto world. When you need to learn some details about some coin or some token, you can check it up this website. All crypto trader, all investor are knows this page, these websites, because it's important. You can see many information, you can get many information on this website. So I will teach you on basics, and after that you can also make your own search. You can also check other details as well. So when I open CoinMarketCap on the main page, I will see all coins listed on that website. As you see, Bitcoin number 1, Ethereum 2, Tether 3, XRP 4. It goes like that, plus 90 plus pages. There's a lot of coin, a lot of tokens, so you can check all of them inside that website. That's cool. When I go here, I will check the Bitcoin at first. I will see their price is 68k so far, and here I will say their volatility. I will see their hourly rise or down. In here 24 hour and here 7 day. As you see here, it's rise 2.25% in 1 hour, but it's dropped down 1.68% in 24 hour. Also in 7 days it's dropped down 9.20%. So this week it dropped down, but currently is making small rise up. So also here market cap, I can see it. Market cap mean when circulation supply multiplied with current price, you get market cap. So in Bitcoin, it's 1.3 trillion. Let's say like that. It's pretty long. And you can see also their volume. The volume mean the volume of buyer and seller last 24 hours. You can see buy and sell volume, buy and sell amount in 24 hours. So it's pretty huge, it's 45 million, because it's Bitcoin. As you see, when you drop down, it's dropping as well. And circulation supply is what is in market, what is in people assets, like that. When you here, you will see general information about those coins. When you click inside, you will get specific details, specific information about that coin. I click that Bitcoin and I will see Bitcoin's information right now. So here I can see current price is 68k so far, and I can see market cap as well, and the volume, also total supply mean what is in market, circulation supply basically, and max supply mean Bitcoin has as a supply 21 million. That's it. There won't be 22 million Bitcoin in the market. There will be 21 million. That's important because limited supply increase the prices. Those balance are important. So also circulation supply as well. So when I go drop down, I'll see website of Bitcoin. I will see their white paper. White paper mean you can see all the details, all the technical details, like team detail, whatever else. You will see everything inside that white paper. You will understand the project. So also their social part, their explorers, and when you drop down, you will see the low price and high price. When you click that, it's 24 hours. In 24 hours, it's dropped down 66 and it rise 69. But if you change it with 1 year, you will say lowest price in this year as a 60k and highest price in this year 126k, which is like good rise. So also when you drop down, you will see all-time high is 126k and all-time low 0.04. Thanks Papa. Anyway, that's good because it's Bitcoin, it's made this much rise. So when you come here, you will see charts. You can also, same as TradingView, and they are same company. When you came here, you will see chart. You can also use those tools as free. You can make small analyze over here by yourself. There's have time frame indicators part as well. And when you click that, also you can just scroll down. You will see all the stock market which list Bitcoin, Binance, Coinbase, Upbit, like all of them over here. So you can find Bitcoin in everywhere else, just not only a stock market, crypto exchange. I mean, it's in everywhere. But when you see other coins, you will not able to see in all stocks. That's why all exchange. I mean, that's why you can check it up here. So when you drop down, you will see Bitcoin news. You can follow it up. Everything's over here. There's especially about Bitcoin because we clicked Bitcoin, and you can see Bitcoin yield. That's same things like interest rates, same as you're making on bug. There's you're also earning as well. When you stake Bitcoin, you're learning how percentage you're earning, and there are different stocks and they are their percentage like that. And when you drop down, you will see Bitcoin cycles. There's have a lot of indicators. Before they were not free, but now thanks to CoinMarketCap, they just made them free. And you can check them up. You can see lower price or higher price where Bitcoin can go. You can make this kind of analysis over here. There are some part of on-chain analysis index. So like that. And when you drop down, I hope it will open. Yes. Bitcoin treasury holdings. That's mean which companies are holding Bitcoin most and their quantity, their current values, everything. So you can see this is important because when they buying Bitcoin and when they keeping, even when price drop down, that's important for Bitcoin futures or whatever is that coin. That's good to know, because when you make some investment, let's say it's not Bitcoin, it's some other coin or token, when you see them, you will see which company are making some investment on them. That's good. I'm not sure is that just for Bitcoin, but we will see. Also, you can see about Bitcoin part, you can see all the details, their created time, their owner, their target, everything's in this part. All questions are replied on this part about Bitcoin. So when you come that part, you will see some community, you will see some news tweet about Bitcoin, and also you will see some pool over there what people are thinking about Bitcoin. Currently they thinking bullish, so 80% bullish. Let's see. That's it. When you click one coin, you can straight away go details of it and you can get so many idea about that coin or token. So also you can see networks, which is works BSC, networks which is use Solana, which is use Base. You can also categorize them as well and you can check like that. There's Ethereum and more. So when you see here, you will see market cap. Market has 2.32 trillion. There is a fear and greed index. This is pretty popular. Let me just explain shortly. When it's dropped down, we will know market drops and people get scared. When it's rise, market positive, there's a lot of buyers, but people getting greed. That's the things. So there's a lot of index as well. Also, when you come here, you can see all trending coins, which is most popular those days, like last 1 hour, last 24 hour. You can see them. That's mean which is people making some investment on those coin currently, which is popular, trending. So there is a watch list. You can create your own watch list. When you came here, as you see, there's a stars. When you click them, it will add in your watch list and you can follow up on your list. That's easy to follow it up, your owned coins, your investments. So this is prediction market. This is the things when people make some guess and they bet on it. It's like poly markets. For sure you heard it in Instagram or somewhere else in social media. It's like that. It's kind of bet you are making by crypto. That's it. And you can see most visited coins as well. It's Bitcoin and XRP. So you can see new coin as well. And when you say more, you can click real world asset. That's mean you're not in crypto anymore. You can see gold, silver, Nvidia, Apple stocks as well in that part, same as crypto. You can see their volume, you can see their market cap, you can see their index, and you can also get some idea about them, same as crypto. So what else I need to tell you? I will tell you one important things. Let me try to find token unlocks. Token unlock and vesting schedules is important because when there's have token unlock, that's mean those tokens are joining inside of circulation supply. So when it's coming there, it's increasing their supply, and when supply increase, price might drop. That's why when there's have some token unlock, and if you have some investment on some specific coin, you can follow it up here. You can save and protect your investment. What else I can show you? There's a lot of things, guys, but you don't need to know all of them. I don't even use most of them. Just I'm showing the main part. Also you can make your own search. I'm just giving you main part, which is important part, and rest of it you can also learn by yourself, easy. So you can see their ranking, yield, as I told you about interest rate of cryptos. You can see trending. And what else? You can see Bitcoin dominance. You can follow it up. It's also important part. You can see some index over there. And on products, you can follow airdrops. If you're interested in, you can follow ICO, and you can follow event calendars as well. And there's have CoinMarketCap as well. It's also easy part. You can use most of time when you don't want to calculate by yourself. Let's say you are buying Solana. It says on current price 1 Solana equal $81. Also you can do like that. Let's say you wanna buy $100. It's telling you $100 equal 1.22 Solana. So basically calculator like that. I am just checking, is there anything that I did not show you? No, I show you everything, which is main, I mean. So guys, when you wanna learn some details, when you wanna check their project, when you check their supply, their all information, white paper, websites, volume, you can check it up this website. You will see everything on this website. Also when you wanna make some investment on some coin and just to know where you can take it, you can check their listed stock market. You can see everything in that website. This is very useful. Whoever making some crypto investment, whoever making some crypto trade, they must know of this website. Also you can search as a fundamental analyze. You can search for new coins if you have interest about that, and you can find some good potential project in there as well. Just make your search inside of it. Just check each page one by one and get used to it, because you will use this website. It's very useful and it's pretty important to follow up some things about crypto. If you like this video and if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.